Now they ain't believing me, but every day when I drive home from work, one of these neighbor boys throw Mario at me and I'm going to catch him. There he is right now. God damn it. Now I'm gonna get off. I couldn't even film it. Yeah, I tell you, these Gen Z little twerps ain't got nothing better. I see you. God, my truck. Now, I don't know if it's Jeffrey, if it's Carter, but I swear I wouldn't even mind if it's Jeffrey. Go, I swear that's you, Carter. I don't even care no more. It's not even a matter of Jesus Christ. God damn, that was one hell of a throw. My truck. No, my truck. No, God damn it. My truck. No. My truck. Drive home. No. God, no, my truck. I have nothing better to do. I love this truck.